Hey, what is going on guys? Tech Enthusiast here, and this is a camera comparison between the OnePlus 6 and the Google Pixel 2 XL. So how does the new OnePlus 6 fare against arguably the best camera phone in the market today? Let's find out in this video. Just before diving into the comparison, here is an overlook of the camera specs. The OnePlus 6 has a dual 16 megapixel camera which supports OIS and EIS. The Google Pixel 2 XL uses a single 12.2 megapixel camera which also has OIS and EIS. As for the video recording, the OnePlus 6 can record up to 4K at 60 frames per second, slow motion video at 240 frames per second at 1080p, and 480 frames per second at 720p. The Pixel 2 XL records 4K at 30 frames per second, and for slow motion video it can record 120 frames per second at 1080p and 240 frames per second at 720p. Starting off, we have this flower. They both look good in terms of color accuracy, and I'm not seeing anything majorly different between these two. In the second photo, the rose on the OnePlus 6 is more exposed compared to the Pixel 2 XL. The colors are better and softer on the Pixel 2 XL. Here is another photo of a rose, and again you can see the exposure on the OnePlus 6. The petals are more distinguished on the Pixel 2 XL. In this photo of the tree bark, the Pixel 2 is sharper of the two. You can also see the surrounding area in more detail compared to the OnePlus 6. On this sign, if you take a look at the text, it is sharper on the Pixel 2 XL, whereas on the OnePlus 6 there is a slight glowing effect to it. On this photo you can tell the color tones are different. The color is more accurate on the Pixel 2 XL, and everything overall is also sharper. Now in this photo you can clearly see the Pixel 2 XL is better here in terms of colors, whereas on the OnePlus 6 all of the colors look washed out. Here is the first portrait photo, and the Pixel 2 XL looks better overall. It did a much better job in blurring out the background. Here you can see the superiority of the Pixel 2 XL. You can clearly see more details of the hair, the face and the collar compared to the OnePlus 6. Moving on to indoor lighting, in this case the OnePlus 6 is definitely more accurate of the two. It came out really warm on the Pixel 2 XL when it actually wasn't. This photo was taken in room lighting conditions, and I would say the OnePlus 6 is better of the two in terms of color accuracy. You can also see some noise on the monitor on the Pixel 2 XL. This photo was taken with the lights dimmed, and you can see there is a lot of noise on the Pixel 2 XL. In this outdoor photo, the OnePlus 6 looks much better here. It is more clearer, and if you look on the Pixel 2 XL, you can see that there is more noise on the top half of the photo. And the last outdoor photo, again you can see that the OnePlus 6 is better here, and there is a lot more noise on the Pixel 2 XL. So this is a focus test recording on the OnePlus 6 to see how fast it focuses with the background and the foreground object. And the focus test recording on the Google Pixel 2 XL to see how fast it focuses with the background and the foreground object. In this video comparison, do look out for the animated speaker icons so you know which device the audio is coming from. Okay, so this is a 1080p 30 frames per second video recording on the OnePlus 6 against the Google Pixel 2 XL. As you can see, it's a very lovely day today. Sun is out, slightly breezy. Anyway, so let's just get down here and see what we've got. Not much here really. None of the gulls are here. Ducks are swimming away. Anyway, so I'm just gonna go up here, do a short jog to see how the video stabilization is between the two. And stop here. This is a 4K 30 frames per second video recording on the OnePlus 6 against the Google Pixel 2 XL. So it's quite a nice day, very sunny. So what I'm going to do is a short jog to see the stabilization. And let's have a look at the ducks and birds, and they're flying away. So let's just get a view of the surrounding area. So that is the end of this camera shootout. For daylight photos, the Pixel 2 XL was definitely better of the two. It had better color accuracy such as the reds. For portrait photos, the OnePlus 6 was okay, even with its dedicated second camera. The Pixel 2 XL is still unmatched in this area. As for low light photos, this is where the OnePlus 6 did better for photos than the Pixel 2 XL. For video recording, the stabilization is great on both of the phones. However, the OnePlus 6 can record 4K at 60 frames per second and record slow motion video at 440 frames per second for 1 minute. The video and audio quality is also slightly better on the OnePlus 6. So what did you think of this comparison video? Do let me know in the comment section. If you have enjoyed this video, then please give it a thumbs up. If it's your first time here, then do consider subscribing to see more content, so make sure you have your notifications enabled. Like always, thanks for watching, and I will catch up with you in the next video.